Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do an opening on these gouache paints. I done heard about gouache. I think a couple of years ago, it was this artist. I don't know. I wonder if she still do videos, but she had beautiful artwork. I'm gonna look and see if I can find her on YouTube. And she was using gouache, and gouache supposedly be like a mixture between watercolors and acrylic. And I'm always looking for different techniques that I can do with the earrings. So I ordered this set. I'll put the link in the description box. This is by MagicFly if y'all want to try it out. So when I make the earrings from the gouache paint, I will do a video and tell y'all. I'm gonna use all gouache when I make the earrings from it. But so it's 24 tubes in here, and all of them named. High quality, non-toxic, fast drying. They say it's 3 brushes in here. The pigment is rich colors. It's thick, so you will probably have to dilute it a little bit with a little water or thinner, whatever you choose to use. So let me get in here. Maybe shrink wrapping. Okay, so I'm opening it. Notice that this, you know, most of them have like a thank you note. Maybe it's down in here, but these are the colors. Right here, we have scarlet red, crimson, violet, blue. I like this color, I like ultramarina, vermilion. That's one tray. And then we got the lemon yellow. Oh, seaweed. Ooh, never tried that, but I done tried a color look close to that. Then we got, have I tried this color before? Durian. Me and these words. English is not my first language. Sap green. Well, they got a lot of colors that you can mix. Emerald green, and they got another blue, which I'm not gonna try to pronounce that. Oh wow. Then we got sienna. I'll be saying sienna. It's sienna. And then we got burnt umber, black, orange yellow. When they be saying orange yellow, for some reason it'll be looking at me. The one I did with hippie thing had orange yellow, and it was that color. I don't know why that looked more fiery yellow. And right here we got a yellow orchid. Gambugi. Okay. And then these some good highlight colors and light apricot. I think I got some colors. It's crazy, like I different brands, you'll see these colors, their names just be different. You got a gray. You got a titanium white. I've seen that a lot. Oh, they give you 2 titanium whites because a lot of people use the titanium white a lot. And you got the raw sienna. And then you got the raw umber. And then you got these 3 brushes, which, look here, I have so many brushes, even though I rarely paint with them. So, and I think with certain paints like this, I can't really use my stick. But we're going to try once we dilute them. And then they got these real thin brushes. All right, so I just wanted to show y'all these gouache. Oh, you know what? Let me open one. One of my favorite colors. Let's open one and see how the colors look. So let's do this red, scarlet. Let's see. what it do. We could put it on that skin because, ooh, it's non-toxic. Okay. All right. I like the creaminess. And people don't realize, like, when you get these little tools like that, they last a long time because you're not going to need to use as much. Let's try another color. Let's see how this blue right here look. Let's try another color. Oh, I put a little too much. Let's try this one. This one called Cobalt Blue, which, look at me getting paint everywhere. This a little, ooh, it's pretty, but it's a little different from another Cobalt Blue that I got. It's bright like that, but not. The other one is more like a ultramarine. You try the ultramarine too. I've been and did swatches on everything. This is, yeah, this is not as bright. I like the bright ultramarine by Folk Art. Oops. Yeah, the color be so bright and nice. All right. So I did those 3 colors. These colors still are nice, but the ultramarine usually be brighter. And this kind of looked like a ocean blue to me. And then this looks more, this pretty. It's kind of like a true red. But like I say, I'm going to put this link in the description box if y'all interested in purchasing it. It wasn't that much for $24. So like I say, it works like a watercolor. I say water. It's between a watercolor and acrylic paint, but it dries quickly because I'm seeing, look, that's almost dry. So we're going to see how these gouache work out. So my next one will be some oil paints because I want to try all different paints. Then I got these other paints I want to show y'all too. All right, y'all. Salam, salam.